Hey, how's it going, everyone? Check it out. We have Jessie from the Disney store. This is the pull string Jessie that I bought many years ago, like at least 10 years ago. And just like the Woody I reviewed before, this is the same line. So on the back here, it shows Buzz Lightyear, and there's the Woody. And I got to review this Buzz Lightyear yet, which is sitting over here next to me. But first, we're going to have a look at Jessie here. You pull her little string. So fortunately, I have some spare batteries, so we're going to have to get her out of her packaging and put some fresh batteries in there for her. And it's simply just pull the string and she talks, and she has 17 different phrases. So anyway, let's get her out of her package and have a little fun. So here she is out of her packaging, and I got to tell you, she looks awesome. Just totally adorable. And again, she's like a doll, just like the Woody. There is no posability or anything. It's all just like plushy legs and plushy arms. Though the hands are made of plastic, she does have a plastic head here. And down here at the bottom, you can see her feet are all plastic as well. What does that read right there? What does it read on there? I don't know. It's some kind of numbers for something. And then right here on the other foot, of course, it reads Andy. Quick size comparison. Let's bring in Woody here. Woody is a little bit taller. As you can see, Woody is about an inch or so taller, give or take. But again, it's really cool that she has this pull string on the back for the voices. So it says she has 17 different phrases. So let's have a listen.
I think you'd make a tremendous addition to the Roundup gang. Woohoo! Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln! I like riding and roping and yodeling and slingshot shooting. Blast us to smithereens! Bet there's dynamite! Hey, partner, could you check and see if my hat's on straight? We're just the best of friends. Come on, critters, we have to save the day. Woo! I got a powerful hankering to let loose and yodel. Yodel-ay-hoo-hoo! Yee-haw! Cowgirl Jessie saves the day. I think there's trouble round about the old abandoned mine. I'll call for help. Yodel-ay-hoo-hoo! Howdy, I'm Jessie. Sure is nice to meet ya. I'm a member of the Woody's Roundup gang.
I think that's it.
I think you'd make a tremendous addition to the Roundup gang.
I think that's it. Oh, such a cool little collectible doll. And she even has a little removable hat. So her hat goes on. It doesn't actually fit on there and stay. It just rests on there. So it does kind of move around a little bit. But if you get it just right, you can balance it on there kind of. Just like this here. See, the brim is kind of pointing up a little bit. But I think it's probably just like that. This is awesome. And I like it. So, you know, you can replace the batteries in the back. There's a little Velcro thing there. And it takes 3 little watch batteries. And I don't know if you could take the hair apart or anything. You probably wouldn't want to anyway. No need to mess with it. And then right up here, she's got some sparklies on her little, I don't know what you call these. I forget what you call these for bull riding or something. But it's adorable. She looks awesome. I totally love having this in my collection. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you again next time.